Hey guys, so this is my first YouTube video. So yeah, today I'm going to show you how to upload GIFs to Scratch. Let's get started. I don't know. Okay, so first you're going to want to upload a new project or whatever. This is going to take a while to load and everything, so yeah. Okay, finally it's loading. Yay. I'm going to delete the Scratch cat. Okay, so what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to upload your GIF, which I'm sure there's, if you don't know how to upload one, I'm sure there's plenty of tutorials on YouTube. So I'm just looking for the GIF. And I'm going to click on the wrong one, so let me explain this. So basically, if you don't know what a GIF is, basically it's a picture that has frames, so that's why it's a moving picture. So I'm just going to find the right one that has frames so it can actually move. Okay, so this should be the one. Load, please. This is going to take a while depending on if your internet is fast and whatnot. And if your computer crashes, you're going to have to start all over again, because unless you click save now, which is in the corner, not going to save. Which, I mean, if you've been using Scratch for a while, you probably already know this. Okay, finally, it loaded. I'm going to move it to the middle so any of you OCD people don't get super annoyed. Okay, so it's important to know how many frames there are, because if you don't, you're not going to know how many times you need to you need to code it to switch. I'll explain it when we get to the coding part. So, right now I'm kind of confused on how I'm supposed to scroll up without, pausing the screen recording. Oof, okay, finally. So there are 78 frames, and basically what you're going to do is you're first going to drag, when the green flag is clicked, and then you're going to make sure that when it starts, it switches the costume to the first one. Then you're going to have a wait time, and I just set this to 0.00001, or whatever it says. And then I put next costume, and it switches to the next costume. Now the way you have to do this is that you have to repeat this as many times as there are frames. So I'm going to have to do this 78 times because there's 78 frames. And it should look something like that. Of course, I can't add any sound because of copyright. I wouldn't want to get in trouble for claiming something that's not even my own. So I'm just going to add a black background, and this is going to be really annoying because the way I did this was so uneven, and I'm not OCD, but this is just weird, so I'm sorry if this bothers you. And my voice probably sounds super rusty and ugh, but I might have to redo this voiceover, I don't know. This music is kind of weird. I don't know, I just picked it randomly. It's probably 9, I don't even know the time. So yeah, you're basically done. I might upload this to my account, I don't know. yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and please drop a like, subscribe, and follow me on Scratch at Poetic Coder.